Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by reactivating the dry poster paint. Scoop a measured amount and add water gradually. This controls opacity and flow. Once wet, stir with a clean brush to break clumps and hydrate pigments evenly, which prevents streaks. Use the measuring spoon so you can replicate ratios later. Consistency affects coverage, thicker for bold color, thinner for washes. Make a small test stroke on scrap paper to confirm color and drying time, and then proceed when you see stable pigment suspension and predictable flow. You now focus on color control and texture. Mix pigments in small batches to test hue and value. This avoids wasting paint when adjustments are needed. Once done, introduce a binder or flow agent very sparingly, about 10% additions, because too much changes drying and gloss. For paste-like textures, employ a palette knife. For washes, use a brush and maintain a wet edge to blend smoothly. Make sure to label mixed batches so you can reproduce colors later, and always test on scrap first. You complete the piece by drying and sealing properly. Let thin layers dry 30 to 60 minutes. Thick applications need longer. Once dry, apply a compatible varnish to protect the surface and unify sheen. Always test the varnish on a scrap before the final coat to avoid unwanted reactions. If paint cracks or flakes, rehydrate gently with a damp brush and either rebind the area or strip and reapply thin layers. This fixes adhesion issues. Finally, store leftover dry paint, sealed to preserve quality.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.